In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import deals into Bitrix24. We'll walk through the full import flow so your pipeline fills up cleanly and correctly the first time. Start on the feed page of your Bitrix24 workspace. From the main menu, open CRM and go to Deals. On the Deals board, look to the upper corner for the Settings gear and choose Import Deals. This opens the import wizard that guides you through the entire process. Click. Choose a file and select the spreadsheet you've prepared, typically a CSV or Excel file. A quick tip before you proceed: make sure your file has clear column headers, one row per deal, and consistent date and number formats. If your file includes related contact or company details, keep those columns tidy too, as Bitrix24 can use them during import. Next, set data file encoding. UTF-8 is a safe choice for most files, especially if your data contains special characters or accents. Then select the responsible person, default. This is the deal owner that will be assigned when your file doesn't specify one, so pick the user who should manage newly imported deals by default. Choose the name format that matches how you store person names in your file. This helps Bitrix24 interpret and create related records correctly when needed. Now set the column separator to match your file, such as comma, semicolon, or tab. If you aren't sure, open your CSV in a simple editor and confirm which character separates the columns. Click Next to move into field mapping. Here, complete the step in the fields by matching each column from your file to the corresponding Bitrix24 deal field. Make sure key attributes like deal name, amount, stage, and close date are mapped accurately. Check date formats, ensure amounts are numbers, and map any custom fields you rely on. If a column doesn't need to be imported, leave it unmapped to keep your CRM clean. Then click Next to review the preview. On the import screen, follow the prompts to confirm that sample rows look correct and that required fields are filled. Pay attention to any warnings about unmatched fields or formats so you can adjust the mappings right here. When everything looks good, click Import. Bitrix24 will process your file and add your deals according to your mappings and defaults. Once the import completes, you'll see a confirmation summary indicating how many records were brought in successfully and any that were skipped due to issues. That's it, your deals are now in Bitrix24 and ready for your team to work. Thanks for watching and happy importing.